Disabling biometric login on Apple Pay can help enhance your privacy and security. Follow these simple steps to turn off this feature. Step 1. Open Settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. This is where you can manage all your device's settings. Step 2. Go to Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode. Scroll down and select either Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode, depending on your device model. This section allows you to manage your biometric settings. Step 3. Enter your passcode. You will be prompted to enter your device passcode for security purposes. Input your passcode to proceed. Step 4. Disable Apple Pay. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm changes. Exit the settings and check to ensure that biometric login is disabled for Apple Pay. You can do this by attempting to make a payment to see if it prompts for your passcode instead. By following these steps, you can successfully disable biometric login for Apple Pay. If you need to re-enable it in the future, just follow the same steps and toggle the setting back on.